Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the shell. The operation shell allows creating offset bodies and shells based on solid bodies. A shell is a hollow, thin wall body with walls of specified thickness. When we create a shell, some of the source solid body faces can be removed. This is very easy, the principle of working with this command. To find this command, 3D model menu and then advanced group shell. This is easy, the concept. So the idea is to have a solid and then to pick the surfaces that are going to be removed. So I will say these ones are going to be removed. So the thickness will be applied to all the remaining ones. So I would say, for example, 5, and I can give the thickness inside, outside, or symmetric. So when I confirm, this is what happened. Okay? We have to be careful with the topic of the radius. There are cases where the radius is interesting to be done before the shell or after. It depends, okay? But it's something that you must have a little care about it. So in this particular case, I've done the shell on the top. I can do the opposite. For example, shell, remove only this one, 5 on the thickness, and okay, it's a completely different solid with the same geometry. So it really depends on what we want. Another interesting way to work with this, I will take the radius because in this particular case the radius it will be a problem. I can apply the shell and say remove these ones, okay, with a 5 mil for the thickness, and I can say everything is 5 mil, but I want this particular face to be 3 mil, and so 3, and I said common 5. Okay, so and this is what happens. So I get the standard thickness as 5 and this face 3. So I can give also differential thickness in particular faces. And basically this is the concept to work with this shell command. So you can have multiple examples also about this, but I think these specific cases show how to work with this and will be a guidance for your personal examples.